Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I oversimplify life and help you become your highest and best self. You know, when the world is falling apart around us, and our old patterns of habit are breaking down, do we keep going on the same path, or do we take a look at what we're doing and change our perceptions and go about things differently? You know, this is the question that we have to ask ourselves, because if we don't realize what's going on right now, we are in a place of change, like a huge place of change. And it's not how smart we are. It's not about, going to school back here and taking in more information or learning more information. It's not about that. It's about how we are smart. Because here's the thing. I believe that this information center, our mind, is a way of investment. It's an investment. Our thoughts are investments, and we always invest our mental currency in something. But if we could just get ahead of ourselves and look at where our choices are going to take us, then we would realize what's coming, instead of just guessing and wondering what's going to come, and there's uncertainty. I mean, I hear this a lot right now from my clients, that they're concerned about uncertainty. This uncertain world, there's fear in there, right? But the thing is, you can invest your thoughts. You can invest your mental currency. You can think about the things you want. You can focus your attention. It's not that hard. It's doable. It's manageable. And it can be done. And it is being done. So the question is, do you want to change your perception? Or do you want to just remain the same and remain comfortable? Because that's what the problem here is. Everybody got too comfortable. We're in a real comfort zone here. Not just you and I, but the whole world. We got really comfortable, and we got comfortable about what we were doing, where we're going, the food we're eating, the people we're interacting with. All that got really comfortable. And guess what? Now we don't know what to do to get out of that comfort zone. But I'm telling you that you can with what you're thinking about. You have to realize what you're thinking is creating the world around you. It is. And it's constantly creating the world around you. And you need to look at things differently and think smarter. Not just, look at what's going on in the media. That's basic information. And it's also information that's useless in many cases. So you can guide yourself, because life isn't happening to you. Life is responding to you. Life is for you. And we need to realize that. And the more we realize it, then we can change our perception and look at things differently and welcome things. Like, for example, my client, she wanted to have a self-managing business. That was her objective. And it might have taken months, but now she has it. She has a team of people that can manage things for her. She doesn't have to do all the heavy lifting and all the thinking. And the geese are flying overhead. And so she doesn't have to do all that anymore, because we set up systems. We set up processes. We set things up so that she doesn't have to do all the thinking. But she did the work. She did the thinking in advance. She invested, right? That's why I'm saying it's not how smart you are. It's how you are smart. It's how you use your mind, what you think about, what you focus on. There's no question about this. There's enough evidence. There's enough research. There's enough books. We don't need to look any further. You can look in theology. You can look in science. It's all there. It tells us that what we think about is what we become, and we need to focus our attention better. And so I'm here helping you to get that dialed in. Start looking at the world around you. Think about what you want. What are your intentions? What matters to you? What's your identity? What do you identify with? So today, all you need to do is look around your world, be more perceptive, look at the things around you, look at what's happening, and take note of it. Just write it down. See where things are and what you would rather have if you don't have things the way you want them. If you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, check it out and leave a comment below, or if you like this. Let me know. If you don't, then I don't know what you're thinking or feeling, and I'll just keep making videos, and you'll get what you get. All right. Thanks very much, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.